Hey everyone, it's splooshIRL and I'm bringing you a Mass Effect 3 multiplayer game. This is my idea of maybe the perfect team, at least versus Geth. I'll get into later the concept of playing against Reapers. But basically the idea is that the Vanguard, everything he does, when he charges and when he does his blast, it creates a biotic explosion, and you can do with the half blast skill, and you can watch my previous video to understand that concept. You're doing about 3 abilities every 3 seconds, so the goal is to have infinite biotic explosions. And so what we do is you have 2 Drell Adepts which use Reeve, which can cause biotic explosions, and then the cooldown on that is really quick. It's something like 2.5 seconds, and so to have 2 of them you can constantly chain it, and it's an AoE, which is area effect, so it affects multiple things in an area. And then you run a Sentinel because he can warp and overload. The warp can cause explosions off of the Reeve as well, and I believe Reeve can cause the warp to explode. And warp also just causes armor, and I think the explosion on a warp is much stronger than most normal explosions because of the perks you can get. So warp's fun, and overload's good because you can AoE rip off shields, which is very effective. And then obviously you got a Vanguard, so basically the setup is Vanguard, 2 Drell Adepts, and a Sentinel, and I think it's really amazing. You can really chew through the levels quick. Oh, and the grenades that the Drell Adept have can actually cause biotic explosions, so you can do a quick Reeve and then toss a grenade, and I think they're really fun to use. And it's unfortunate that, at least on Xbox, I don't know about the other systems, there is a sort of an audio bug when you're using the Drell Adept that makes this really crazy noise that plays 24/7. But oh well, we just call him DJ and move on. So anyway, the commentary you're going to see for the rest of the gameplay will be my friends and I talking. I actually added my own voice to it this time. And you can check out the previous videos I've done. Once playing Korean Infiltrator, which is really good against Geth. I had a Reaper game playing the Solarian Infiltrator. No, Solarian Engineer. It's a really great game. And as I was saying earlier, the Vanguard gets picked up by Banshees a lot, which, you know, if he gets eaten, then there's no more Vanguard and the combo kind of falls apart. But if I find I'm sure there's lots of ways to stop that process, but when you throw those cluster grenades that the Drell Adept have, it's really amazing. That makes the Banshee drop your Vanguard. So we played a few games doing that, and nothing gold yet. I'll have to try it. It could be a little too much to take in because, you know, gold can be pretty rough, but definitely that'll be our next little experiment, see if we can pull it off. It'll take a lot of teamwork though, and it's probably not as practical, but I don't know, just for the fun of it, right? And anyway, so if you guys have any suggestions as to what's the best combo in the game, I'd love to hear it and give it a try. And if you have videos you made, then tell me about them, link them or something to this video, and maybe I'll add them as like a video reply or something. So hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.
Kept doing these half ducks.
Hunter's sneaking up on Matt. Sentry, good job.
Shit. Fucking. Coming down that middle hall there is going nuts.
Crap, I'm gonna get killed. I can't save you, man. This freaking sucks. I don't know what to do there.
Watch it.
So let's hit this time.
Well, I'm hitting him.
Team member is hurt.
I can get you this time. No, I can't.
Shit, I didn't even see what
It's not even telling me.
Up again. Watch out for the turret.
I killed the turret, but now I'm gonna just get...
I got taken down by a trooper.
Oh my god.
I got you. In your debt. Enemy forces down to 1. Good shot! Enemies down. Good shooting.
down to half strength.
Freaking turrets, man. I guess I'll try to be on turret duty.
Then they can
I have
throw
overload
those
too,
through walls.
which is overload does good on turret.
Yeah, your warp. Well,
Our signal boosters establish plans.
I guess your warp's really important, actually. Dan and I are more expendable. I'm learning than you are.
Stop it! Move out!
Backside respawn. Hunters. Hunters. Respawn.
All right.
Lost shield!
Nope, lots of them.
Holy crap, that is a lot.
Oh,
I'm injured!
Squad member in trouble.
One moment. That was close.
Guys, Bob like just gets right down, no problem. Yeah, it's easy. Look.
you had a hunter behind you, that's why.
It happened to me earlier too. Oh, Pyro's coming up from the top.
Another hunter here.
Open the door.
We need those targets back online.
3 of them. What is hitting me?
Yo, we gotta
Hunter,
get the
right in front of
booster.
you.
Guys, the booster is on the top level. Come on. Come spawn.
Right in front of me. He's not behind me.
No, he was right in front of you. You were staring at him.
I was fighting a guy and I was getting hit from behind.
Back me up!
Your mission is to power up those targets. Half the devices are green-lit. Stay on it.
Good shot!
Oh shit. We got incoming hunters.
Come to the point,
me up.
guys.
Yeah, I'm going for it. Away from that. But we were just at top of that ramp.
They're coming main hall.
Green-lit.
Yep.
Lots of
Lighting
them.
up.
Alright, last booster is in the basement.
Downstairs. Downstairs, yeah.
Look how fast I am.
Cover me!
Hunter's ramp.
Yep.
Devices are working. Good job.
Oh.
Hunters.
Check fire!
Behind you, Bob. Behind you, Doug. Hunters.
Mission accomplished.
Nice.
Neutralized.
Okay, Matt.
That's only wave
Oh.
6.
Only wave 6. This is going fast.
This is balcony.
The only thing I don't like about where we're standing is there's not ammo like super easy to get to. Main hall, lots of crap. That was fast.
How you doing, Dan?
We're fine. We guess Prime coming soon, but we'll be fine till then.
Nice warp, by the way, Bob. Give it my
Yeah,
thing.
rockets.
There's a few at the spawn.
Oh yeah.
Nice shot!
Nothing to worry about really yet.
Hunter.
There's a Prime.
Make sure we're not getting backstabbed. Yeah, there's one at spawn. Oh, come on! Prime at spawn. Need some help.
Oh shit, rockets. Seeing overrun in the top middle.
Matt, fall back. More important, Matt, up here, I think.
Shields down!
I'm hit.
I'm over here. Holy shit.
Team member has gone
Really?
dark.
Turret right by your head the whole time.
Hang on!
That was close.
I'm gonna have like no health. What the fuck?
All clear. Good work. Enemy is still active. Stay alert.
Nice job, guys.
It's so funny, I was crouched behind this balcony railing up here, and there was two Geth hunters next to me. It wasn't until I stood up that they saw me.
Back hallway. Lots of pyros. Main hallway. Wow, that rocket. What?
Whoa!
I'm hit. I got you. My thanks.
Respawn.
Fall back to spawn, Matt. Fall back to spawn.
Squad member in trouble.
Hang
I
on.
gotcha.
Oh,
Oh, fuck. What was that? Okay, a turret. It was a turret.
good work.
Guys, fall back to spawn.
Right
Fall
here.
back to spawn.
I'm back, I am. Oh! Nice timing. 2 primes.
Prime at the door, spawn. Do you want to fall back to the basement or hold our ground here?
Fall back. Hold the ground for falling back.
Yeah, behind us, our exit plan.
Yeah, let's push through the exit. Let's go. Go to the basement.
Shield down.
Get around the thing.
Learn that if we keep holding our ground, we get fucked. Yeah.
Nah, we're pretty good right now. We're not being flanked. Just focus on this hallway now. Watch out, back, behind. Incoming. They behind us now? Yeah.
They're coming up that ramp.
Pyro at the ramp.
Time the other end.
Nice, Bob.
Get the pyro.
One prime's down.
Ton of guys in the lab now.
Go help Matt.
Now there's a prime up there on the corner.
Shield gone.
Squad member in trouble.
Oh boy. I see that.
Don't worry. Don't come
Oh, there's
to
a
me.
prime on Dan.
Exactly. Don't come to me.
One sec. I owe you.
No health.
Only one more enemy.
One more.
Mission accomplished. Stay alert. Enemy is regrouping.
Oh yeah. Not gonna lie, I was kind of holding my breath there for a minute.
Got it. Got him.
Alright, well we can start RPGing a little bit here now.
I have 2 health pack and 2 revives.
How many rockets though?
What?
2?
2 rockets, yeah.
Alright. Dan, how you and Matt, how you guys doing on rockets?
I got 4 revives and 4 rockets.
I got a prime, 2 pyro,
I'd say-
200s coming up in the top.
I'd say Matt and Dan should rocket once each in this round. You decide when you think that will work.
That rocket didn't do anything. That's stupid. Got caught in the middle.
Lost shields.
Nice, Bob. Behind, spawn, spawn!
Fuck.
There's like 5 spawn. More coming, spawn.
Hit the spawn and then we'll make our way down to the basement.
They're blocking our way out. This might be a rocket time. Dan, maybe?
I'll rock it.
Alright, let's see if we can make it. Yeah, it's clear, guys. Whoa, no it's not. Basement needs to be cleared. Go, go, go. Don't let us get sandwiched here.
I missed.
I'm down.
Squad member has flatlined.
That was close.
Team member has gone dark.
Okay, we can't stay in this room.
Stop it!
Go to the basement. Where do you want to go?
Basement back hall.
Go down this hot ramp.
Yeah, I don't think there's much left to worry about, but yeah.
It's this Prime that's sneaking up on us.
But if we sneak up on the prime,
Yeah, I'm behind the
then-
prime. Matt, you want to kill this prime? There you go.
2 primes.
I'm down. Prime's following me to the basement.
Enemy forces down to 1.
The back. Right there. Ramp. Top of the lab.
Watch it!
Curb stomp.
Good work. Enemy is still active. Stay alert.
Alright, hopefully this is a kill round.
No, this will be a hold your ground round.
4 points.
Alright, well, we could pretty much go weapons free at this point.
Of enemy intel. There they are.
Of course it's intel.
The security
Up top.
needs
Why did I have to be right?
for faster
Seriously? Okay, I'll do first rocket.
hack interrupted. Move back.
Get in the hack zone.
Down. Connection down. Get closer.
Oh no, Doug, I was gonna stay here. Ready to stay here as long as possible.
Clock sticking. Get in and
Prime coming from respawn.
It's,
half the security protocol.
Yes.
Matt, you want to prime that or rocket that guy?
I got it.
Alright. Why is there still a prime standing here then?
Lost connection.
I rocketed the back one.
Just kill him, guys. Just use your stuff on this prime. Quick, everyone.
Connection broken.
He's in the hack zone. Just kill it.
Connection broken. Reacquire.
Get this pyro sneaking up the hallway, Matt.
Team member is hurt. We got
One
what we
moment.
came here
I
for.
got you, Bob.
Pyro got me from.
We did it.
Alright, fall back to basement?
Out.
Basement.
Probably.
Yeah, on game. That's fun.
Run like women. Oh.
Member down.
Hang tight.
Close line.
Prime up there. 2
Two
prime.
of them.
Don't use any more rockets, anyone.
Well done, team.
That's it.
Never mind.
Enemy is still active. Stay alert.
Oh, Matt still got like 19.
Alright, get back to our usual spot. Try not to go on the spawn. We'll see if we can hold it out. We could...
1 health pack and 2
I'd say
revive.
we could start at the base, but that could get really ugly, though.
Rendezvous at LZ for extraction.
Operation Run Like a Woman.
Back room, lots of hunters.
Yeah. Visible guys sneaking up.
This is a rocket moment.
Yeah.
Anyone gonna... Nice.
Nicely done.
Checking respawn. Respawn's got a little bit of action.
Shuttle on its way. Find the LZ.
Oh fuck, Geth Prime's shooting at us from the spawn. Bottom.
What?
LZ
I just got hit, like, way behind cover. Alright, pretty much done. I'd say we could stand to use one more rocket in the mid, and that's pretty much cakewalk. That.
Like that one?
Wow. You just missed it again? I ain't wasted any time. Alright, coward time.
Scores.
Honey Badger don't care.
Honey Badger don't give a fuck.
Shuttle's here.
No, don't kill me now!
Soldier. Extraction complete. Some fine work, team.
Oh, yeah. 27 minutes, too. What the heck? You know what? We had that one really long moment. Remember we had to go cap?
Yeah, fortunately.
I think it, Doug. I got to your gold.
Well done.
Hey, Honey Badger don't give a fuck.
Honey Badger don't care. Honey Badger. Look at him go for the honey. He just sticks his hand in there. He don't give a fuck. Level up.